Are you waking up to frothy urine or swelling in your feet, worried about your kidney health? What if I told you that a few simple morning habits could make a difference? Today, we're exploring how you can revitalize your kidneys and say goodbye to proteinuria. Stick around to transform your mornings and boost your kidney health. Let's begin by understanding what proteinuria is. You might be wondering what on earth proteinuria is. Think of it as your body's way of sending a Mayday signal. When there's too much protein in your urine, it usually means your kidneys are sending out an SOS because they're struggling to function properly. This can happen for various reasons, such as kidney damage, which can sound scary, but we're here to help make it less daunting. Normally, your kidneys act as powerful little cleaning units, filtering out waste from your blood while retaining important substances like proteins. However, when they become overwhelmed, possibly due to conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, they may start letting protein slip through into your urine. This condition is known as proteinuria. You might not feel any different or notice anything unusual. There won't be any alarms or a flashing check engine light for your kidneys. In fact, proteinuria is quite sneaky and often doesn't present clear symptoms that you'd notice day to day. That's why it's crucial to monitor your kidney health, especially if you have conditions that increase your risk. Addressing proteinuria early is crucial. Think of it like fixing a small leak in your house before it turns into a costly problem. The good news is that by making a few adjustments to your morning routine, you can significantly support your kidneys. It's like giving them a mini spa treatment before you start your day. Why focus on mornings? Because how you begin your day sets the tone for how your body handles health challenges like proteinuria. A few smart choices as you get out of bed can strengthen your kidneys, similar to how a morning coffee perks you up for the day ahead. It's about establishing a routine that supports these vital organs right from the start, helping them filter and function at their best. In the next sections, we'll explore how to do just that. We'll explore specific habits you can incorporate. These aren't just beneficial for your kidneys but also easy to integrate into your morning routine. And who knows, your kidneys might just show their appreciation by helping you feel better than ever throughout the day. Now, let's transition to some flavorful tips on how you can enhance your kidney health with smart, delicious choices straight from your kitchen. Berries. Beginning your day with berries might seem more like a treat than a health recommendation, but these small fruits pack a punch when it comes to enhancing your kidney health. Blueberries, cranberries, and raspberries aren't just deliciously sweet, they're also rich in antioxidants that play a vital role in safeguarding your kidneys and overall well-being. Berries act like miniature superheroes for your kidneys, combating harmful molecules known as free radicals that can damage your cells and contribute to various health issues. This is particularly crucial because when your kidneys are functioning optimally, they can more effectively cleanse your blood, leaving you feeling your best. Blueberries rank among the top choices for enhancing kidney health. They're abundant in a group of antioxidants known as anthocyanins, responsible for their vibrant blue hue and effective in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Add them to your morning oatmeal or blend them into a smoothie for a delicious and kidney-friendly start to your day. Cranberries make another excellent choice, particularly for those who have experienced urinary tract infections, UTIs, in the past. Consuming cranberry juice can aid in preventing these infections by inhibiting bacteria from adhering to the bladder and urinary tract walls. This is beneficial for your kidneys, as avoiding UTIs can contribute to maintaining their optimal condition. Incorporate cranberry juice into your breakfast routine or sprinkle dried cranberries over your yogurt for a tangy addition to your morning meal. Raspberries also offer significant benefits, boasting ample fiber and vitamin C content. They promote digestion and bolster your immune system, thereby keeping your kidneys content. Additionally, their sweet flavor can elevate any breakfast experience to dessert-like enjoyment. Mix them into pancakes or simply grab a handful for a convenient on-the-go snack. Now, let's not overlook blackberries. While they may not receive as much attention as their berry counterparts, they offer equally impressive benefits. Blackberries are rich in vitamins and minerals, boasting a high antioxidant content. Whether enjoyed in a fruit salad or savored on their own, they provide a fresh, juicy start to your day. Despite not donning capes, these berries play a significant role in supporting your health. Including them in your morning meal not only adds excitement but also empowers your kidneys to function optimally, allowing you to tackle your day without the worry of kidney issues slowing you down. Continuing with our exploration of antioxidant-packed berries. Apples. Let's redirect our attention to another set of morning superstars, apples and pears. These fruits are like loyal companions to your kidneys. Why, you ask? Well, they're packed with fiber, the silent hero of your breakfast routine, working diligently behind the scenes to ensure smooth operations. Apples and pears excel at regulating your cholesterol and blood sugar levels, a critical task for your kidneys, which can suffer from the effects of high sugar and fat levels. By keeping these levels in check, you're essentially minimizing the workload for your kidneys, creating a cleaner and more efficient environment. Now, let's explore creative ways to incorporate these fruits into your morning routine. While munching on them as is certainly works, why not add a bit of flair? For instance, slicing an apple or pear and sprinkling a dash of cinnamon on top transforms a simple fruit into a delightful treat. Not only does it taste delicious, but cinnamon also offers heart-healthy benefits, indirectly benefiting your kidneys. But let's not stop there. Ever considered grilling fruits? Yes, grilling. Throw some apple and pear slices on the grill for a minute or two, and you'll be treated to a rich, caramelized flavor that feels like a warm embrace on a chilly morning. Pair that with a dollop of low-fat yogurt, and your ordinary breakfast takes on a gourmet twist. For those rushed mornings, consider preparing a batch of fruit salad at the beginning of the week. Mix chunks of apples and pears with some berries, as discussed earlier, and a splash of lemon to keep them fresh. Voila! You have a quick, nutritious grab-and-go breakfast that satisfies your hunger and keeps your kidneys in prime condition. And let's be real, happy kidneys lead to a happier you. So, the next time you stroll through the fruit aisle, remember that a simple apple or pear could be the easiest way to keep your health on track. Ginger and lemon tea. Starting your day with a cup of ginger and lemon tea is like giving your kidneys a warm hug. This simple drink is easy to make and offers numerous benefits for your kidneys, not to mention it's a refreshing way to wake up. Let's explore why this tea is beneficial and how to incorporate it into your morning routine. Ginger, the spicy root that adds a kick to this drink, is well known for soothing an upset stomach. However, its benefits extend beyond that. Ginger is also excellent for reducing inflammation. This is great news for your kidneys because less inflammation means less stress on these vital organs. Then there's lemon, which adds more than just a zesty flavor. Packed with vitamin C, lemon helps flush out toxins from your body, which can otherwise make your kidneys work harder. Additionally, it boosts your immune system, providing your body with extra protection against health issues. Making this tea is as easy as pie. Simply slice up some fresh ginger root and squeeze a lemon. Drop these into a pot of boiling water and let them steep for about 5 minutes. The aroma alone will wake you up. If you prefer your tea a bit sweet, you can add a spoonful of honey, which is much healthier than regular sugar. But why limit yourself to drinking this tea only in the morning? It's so good and easy to make that you might want to enjoy it throughout the day. Imagine replacing your usual beverages with this beneficial tea, giving your kidneys consistent support. Swap your afternoon coffee with this tea. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it also supports your kidney health, a great deal all around. So, the next time you're about to reach for the coffee pot in the morning, consider switching things up with some ginger and lemon tea instead. This small change is something your kidneys will appreciate, and it might just become the new highlight of your morning routine. Now, after that delightful cup. Omega-3 rich foods. Let's move on to another super beneficial addition to your diet, omega-3 rich foods. Starting your day with omega-3 fatty acids might sound like you're prepping for a science experiment, but it's actually a straightforward way to give your kidneys a break. Omega-3s are like the unsung heroes of the dietary fat world. They help reduce inflammation in your kidneys, which is particularly useful if you're dealing with proteinuria. You don't need to go fishing every morning to get your omega-3s. Plant-based options like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts are loaded with these beneficial fats and are easy to add to your breakfast. For instance, chia seeds can be thrown into your morning smoothie or sprinkled on top of your cereal. When these tiny seeds meet liquid, they swell up and form a gel-like texture, making your breakfast not only healthier but also more interesting. Flax seeds are another great choice. These small seeds punch way above their weight. A little goes a long way, just grind them up and sprinkle over your toast or blend them into a morning shake. They're like the secret agents of your breakfast, working quietly but effectively to support your kidneys. Let's not forget about walnuts. These might just be the MVP of your morning routine. Throw a handful into your yogurt or oatmeal, and not only do you get a satisfying crunch, but you also fuel up with nutrients that keep your kidneys in top shape. Plus, they make a great snack later on if you get peckish, so it's a win-win. Incorporating these omega-3 rich foods into your diet is simple but can make a big difference in how your kidneys feel and function. It's like giving them a mini spa day before you even step out of the house. Who wouldn't want to start the day knowing they've done something good for their body? Next, let's gently move into how a little stretching or yoga can further enhance these benefits, making sure your kidneys, and you, feel refreshed and ready to take on the day. After tackling your morning meal with omega-3 rich foods, don't forget about getting your body moving. A bit of stretching or yoga can do wonders for your kidneys and overall mood. You don't need to be a yoga guru or the next fitness influencer to make a difference. Simple, gentle movements right after you roll out of bed can really help. Starting with some light stretching helps wake up your body. Think of it as a gentle nudge to your muscles and organs, saying it's time to get going. Stretching gets the blood flowing better, which helps your kidneys do their job of filtering out waste more effectively. Plus, it can ease any stiffness from sleeping, making you feel less like a robot and more like a well-oiled machine. Yoga might sound a bit fancy, but it's really just about moving your body in ways that help it function at its best. You can try simple poses like the cat-cow, where you arch your back like a scared cat and then dip it down like a cow looking at the grass. This move is great for getting your spine to loosen up. There's also the classic child's pose, which is like folding yourself into a napping position on the floor. It's super relaxing and gives your back a nice stretch. These exercises don't just help your muscles, they're great for your kidneys too. When you move and stretch, it helps increase blood circulation, which means your kidneys get a fresh supply of what they need to filter out toxins. Plus, the deep breathing you do during yoga helps send more oxygen through your body, which isn't just good for your brain, it also helps your kidneys perform better. Here's a fun fact, while you're twisting and bending, you're not just helping your kidneys, you're also helping your digestive system. So, you could say it's a 2-for-1 deal. By the time you roll up your yoga mat, your body is more prepared to tackle the day, and you've done something great for your kidney health without breaking a sweat. Tomorrow morning, after you munch on your omega-3 breakfast, lay down your mat and give your body a gentle wake-up call with some easy stretches or yoga. It's a smooth and simple way to support your kidneys, and who knows, you might even find yourself a bit more flexible and cheerful as you sip on that ginger lemon tea. Remember, every little bit helps, and your kidneys will thank you for it. That's all for today. We hope you found these tips helpful for supporting your kidney health. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.